sacrifice of our soldiers who fought in the Kargil War of 1999, which was fought between India and Pakistan. This day marks the triumph of the Indian Armed Forces over the infiltrating forces, a victory that stands as a testament to our nation's strength and resilience. 25 years ago, our brave soldiers were called upon to defend the sovereignty of our nation in one of the most challenging terrains in the world. The Kargil War was not just a military conflict, it was a test of our nation's unity, determination and resolve. Our soldiers faced harsh weather conditions, difficult terrain and a well-entrenched enemy, but they stood firm, undeterred by the odds. The success of Operation Vijay was the result of meticulous planning, exceptional leadership and most importantly, the indomitable spirit of our soldiers. The combined efforts of the Indian Army, Air Force and the support of the entire nation led to the recapture of strategic peaks and ridges that had been taken over by the intruders. The bravery displayed by our soldiers who scaled steep cliffs under enemy fire to reclaim our land is unparalleled. Today, we honor the memory of those who laid down their lives for the nation. The sacrifice is a debt that we can never repay, but we can honor it by remembering their bravery and upholding the values they fought for. We also extend our gratitude to the families of these heroes whose support and sacrifice are beyond measure. Kargil Vijay Divas is not just a day to remember our victory in the war. It is a day to celebrate the spirit of India. It is a day to reaffirm our commitment to the security and integrity of our nation. Let us draw inspiration from the courage and dedication of our soldiers and strive to contribute to the progress and prosperity of our own nation in our own ways. As we pay tribute to our heroes, let us also remember that the defense of our nation is a continuous endeavor. It requires the collective effort of each one of us. Let us remain vigilant, united, and resolute in our commitment to safeguarding our nation's sovereignty. Jai Hind.